Might be silly that I'm uptight, yeah, but when I hear the beat,
it's time to party. I don't wanna know what I know, wanna know. It's time to party. I don't wanna know what I know, wanna know. It's time to party. I don't wanna know what I know, wanna know. It's time to party. I don't wanna know what I know, wanna know. It's time to.
Won't lie, I remember that day I was shy. Baby, let's go to the floor one time. Slow it down, girl, let's go 2 times. Oh, oh.
It's time to party. I don't wanna know what I know, wanna know. It's time to party. I don't wanna know what I know, wanna know. It's time to party.
Oh, thanks for tuning in. It's prime time, till the sunshine, showtime. Let's get it.
Shall we do both in together with
Branley, oh.
your boy Good Luck and Cole. And if you finish for end,
Hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe.
Let's go, guys. Then we're back with a 5-in-1. It's like covers and videos we're just watching. So we're starting with Stray Kids Seungmin, but oh na because of a feather cover. Let's get it. Our boy Seungmin did the cover.
The version is impressive.
The quality.
Oh, the quality.
You had one job, quality finder.
Quality manager.
Quality manager. This song is a masterpiece. It's on the keyboard. It's like,
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going to, 'cause it was always you. If I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. And now I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Until the night lose my eyes. Oh, till the day that I die. I want you to see how you looked at me. Oh, you wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of it. Oh, tell me it's a bit. Oh, say you don't see it, your mind's polluted.
wow.
Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid.
Hey.
And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more.
But bro, Seungmin is a different breed. What?
Oh.
Listening to his voice, soothing, calm, might make you travel from here to another universe, bro.
Oh.
Thoughts wise.
Yeah.
Like it's making you
He made the song
fantasize.
his own version.
Bro. His
Such a
breathing points, like when he's
voice.
like, yeah, bro, how you do that? Like, that's talent. Bro.
For
I feel
sure.
like
It
if
is.
Billie Eilish watched this video, she would be like very, very like surprised and impressed.
Impressed.
Like, be like, these K-pop guys can really sing like this? This is pure talent, bro.
Such a beautiful.
And not only him, but also the keyboardist.
Yeah.
To me, the thought of someone reading musical notes and understand them, I feel like that's next level. It's like you're reading an alien language and you know what to play. Because if you're paying attention, he was looking at his phone. I think he was reading the keys of that song. If you're a pianist, even if you've never played that song, but through those notes,
You know.
you'll know. I'm like, how? Huh? That's genius, bro. Or even the people who know how to read the guitar notes. Back in the days, before you having a guitar, back when I was in China, I had one. And I thought I'll be good at it. Bro, I went on YouTube. There was, I think I still have those screenshots. There was those I forgot the names. There's G1, I don't know what. I was trying to understand them, but it was very hard. I don't know if it's because I was already grown up or what. I gave up on that.
How long did it take for you to give up?
How long? It was pretty long because I had like 2 guitars. I even gave out the guitar to someone who knows how to play. Now he's really good.
And you were
I was given a guitar and
consistently? Or like
I was
on
trying
and
to
off?
be consistent, like in a week, maybe 3-4 times. But then I just gave up because it wasn't for me. It was hard.
Passion. You rapping
I
passion.
love music, bro. What you mean? I love music, but learning
music,
alone
learning, like,
through YouTube
Learning
is
and
not
liking
easy.
music is different.
Yeah, so shout out to
Yeah.
Seungmin, shout out to the person who was playing the pianist. It was very, very, very smooth. I could listen to this all day. It made me realize like this song is actually good.
Yeah,
It's
it is.
good.
It has been.
Cause like I always watch the video, just love it, right? Watching the
Yeah.
video, but I don't have it in my playlist. With that being said,
Yes,
That
you need
means-
to add it.
you too. Not to you, not to
No,
others.
I'm saying, will it be available?
Why not, bro? Really, she know that it's a bold move not to put music in the Chinese, because she has a lot of fun in the Chinese fan base, and she's a big artist, so she has to have fans there so that when she does too. All right, so we're going to the second one now. That's TRICIA Haruto Flash. So this has some English subtitles. It was a gift from Haruto to Seungmin on the occasion of his birthday.
Okay.
Treasure makers, yeah? Okay. Now this is what it today, okay. Flash. My name is Barry Allen. Or you can call me Lenny Land. You know, before making that movie, he contacted me, like, can I use your name? I was like, it's alright. You think it would be very cool? Is this type of song?
너와의 센스도 간직해 내
어.
카메라에 추억들이 쌓이네 네
this
사진들 뿐에 가득해 내는 숨 이거 바지에 편안한 티셔츠 바지에
Hey.
소파에 누워있는 너까지
Yeah.
너무 완벽해 날 미치게 해
Oh, music video, bro.
Lights so flash 잡아줘 pose Lights so flash yeah 또 다르게 pose Lights so flash 잡아줘 pose
Take some screenshots.
Lights so
Pause.
flash yeah 최저단 pose
Hey.
너 완벽해 비싸지 그런 카메라가 담고 싶어 나도 널 도망가는 것 같아 빨간 노바
It's going with the beat.
이거 누가 봐도 사랑에 빠진 내 손에 안 잡힌 모든 일이 하는 매일 기쁨이 있어져 내 옆에 영원히 평생 날 떠난다는 내 시간 solid 생각조차 하기 싫어 1초라도 떨어지면 넌 외로워 마시까지처럼 이런 빨갛지 살까지 싶어 걱정하지 마 돈이면 너 만든 행복이 더 돈보다 볼 가치가 있어 Lights so flash 잡아줘 pose Lights so flash yeah 또 다르게 pose Lights so flash
Yeah. Yeah, you got pinky promise with him, man. Come on, don't play with the booty. Hey. Lights a flash. I'm gonna Happy 21st birthday, bro. Shout out to Haruto. That's a very catchy song.
It's his birthday, but he gave a gift to Tim.
For sure.
That's a flash.
A whole video. Yeah.
They make, yeah, bro. He made a whole video.
Yeah.
Someone else
Just
just
the
like,
song.
yeah, make the song, but he decided to go even farther and make a whole video.
Yeah.
Nice meaning though, bro. You might think he's singing to his loved one, the way he loves his fans. You know? You can forget about money. Money is not important. I got you, right? And stuff like that. You might think, if you're not familiar with K-pop and everything, you might think, if Keith was here, is he singing for his girlfriend? Because he doesn't know about K-pop. He will ask about the girlfriend. He think this is a girlfriend song, but it's for children.
Yeah, you can use it too.
Yeah, you can use it for your loved one.
Yeah.
For sure. That was fine, man. You know, Haruto always delivers. Shout out to him. Also, happy late birthday.
Belated.
Yeah. Alright, now we're going to TXT, Love Language Inkigayo. So we're doing Inkigayo because of copyright issues. You already know, right? So let's go. Lights and flash. Yeah, the ones with low voice, yeah. The whole house, man.
Yeah, he's been working on it, you see.
Let's go.
Baby, just tell me I can't read your mind. What's your love language? What's your love language? 나를 알고 싶어. What's your love language? 나를 알고 싶어.
Always gets me that part. The soup.
What's your love language?
Hey, really love the white teeth. Let's go, B.
I have a plug with Celsius.
Hey. Yeah?
I have a plug with Celsius.
You have a club?
Plug.
Plug.
Yeah, plug you up.
Give me a few months because I'm hitting the gym now. Hey.
What's your language? 나를 알고 싶어.
Hey.
What's your language? 나를 알고 싶어. Lonely, 길이는 나의 promise. 나를 이끌어줄 나의 my everything. 들려줄게 내게. What's your language? What's your language? 너를 다 알고 싶어. What's your language? 나를 알고 싶어. 알고 싶은 language. Teach me all about your love language. What's your love language?
So cute. Shout out to Ty. Starboy Yonji. Give it up to Subs. The director fell in love. The director, it's time, Director. Ha! Director!
What's your language, director?
Director showed us like, that's my bias. I am moving. My salary depends on this. Even if you guys are going to fire me, it's alright. It's for Yeonju. He was like, let it be. It's here. Director is like, the other directors are pushing him. He's like, no. I was there behind the scenes. But actually there's another story behind the scenes. Because when I was there, behind the scenes, like trying to like do the things, Seungmin was like, nah, for today, nah, don't put the camera on me. That's why it was like it was like this, right? While on the other hand now, while the others didn't get the code, the other co-directors, yeah, they're trying to like move, right? This director, he has two purposes. One is because Yeonjun is his bias and he loves him. Another one is because Sub said like, no, it's alright. You feel me? For those who are new here, I'm just playing. Don't attack me and be like, Lady always lying to your friends. And they're no kids, they don't believe, it's just sarcasm. Because people will feel like, you're feeding them lies in their heads. They sleep at night, they'll think they're dreaming it's like that.
Yo!
They think everything I tell you.
What a brain.
You come here tomorrow.
What a brain.
You come here tomorrow, you think about it, and you think like, what I said was true. That's what they think.
Oh, that's what they think.
Yeah, so I need sometimes to clarify, I'm just playing. Okay. Anyway, my love language with this song was acts of service. I could give out a lot of money to TXT, bro, for that performance. Even though I know it was free, it was SBS, but if I was told to pay, I could pay everything. Acts of service, I would just buy everything for TXT.
Not quality time again?
It's impossible, that's why I didn't try to go there.
You sure? Aren't you the director?
Listen, I can be the director.
The story begins.
There's a lot of moors. There's a lot of moors in line. So it's not fair. Yeah, there's a hidden story.
Bro, the way you started the story, you killed me, bro.
So
let me just hop off this bus now. Lord is not for the
so we're back, guys. I know you probably thought we were going to do the Seraphim, but it's on a different video. That's why it's cut here. And we're going on with Close Your Eyes after TXT, and we're doing Close Your Eyes to the Woods performance video. This is a B-side. To the Woods. We just watched some Close Your Eyes last week. Last. Where's the video? Yeah, performance video.
Yeah.
dance. They just debuted this year, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
They're killing it.
It's a good song.
Take me to the woods.
Groovy blues.
But the meaning, take me to the woods. When you hear it, man, why? Take me to the woods. Because the woods, you know, is considered like,
Scary?
yeah, some scary places. But maybe sometimes there's a beautiful part of it. When it's like not night, when it's daytime, it's beautiful.
But when you say the
Right.
woods specifically, you imagine the woods in the night.
Yeah, take me to the woods.
Yeah, you're going to come.
And then what happens there in the movies is not good. The woods.
Which movie are you talking about?
Go and watch. Go and find out. Anyway, that was fire. It was very nice. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was a very good 4-in-1. We watched amazing performances, amazing covers. Everything was amazing, right? So don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Thank you. Peace out.